So Austin, we're going to talk about exfoliators and why would you use an exfoliator. Now, exfoliators help to freshen and brighten our skin. Okay, I would recommend using either twice a week or once a week. It really depends on how your skin feels. All right, sometimes if your skin is too sensitive, I would recommend using that once a week. Now, the reason why I use an exfoliator because it helps rejuvenate the skin and it helps with the collagen building process. Because what you're doing is taking away dead skin cells and helping to bring that fresh skin to the fore. So first thing you need to do when applying an exfoliator is dampen the face down, okay? So we're going to apply a bit of water to your face. Now this just allows the product to go on far more easier. You can use a small bit here. We're going to use this product through here. We might dampen it with water just to help break that product down.
All right. And
again, very light circular motions. Forehead, the T-zone area and around the nasal area. This is where we tend to have a lot of blackheads. And this helps to, again, brighten and give the skin a much brighter complexion. And of course, it gives us the, helps the collagen building process, makes us look younger.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great.
Now, if you're having obviously ingrowing hair, after you shave, then apply the product to this area that helps to soften the skin and coax out any ingrown hair. Now, after you apply to your exfoliator, rinse the face off. And I'm just going to use a towel for this process right now. So remember, you can use an exfoliator in this area, the T-zone area and the cheeks area, once or twice a week. And in the area that you're going to dry shave, if you're going to do it after you dry shave, you can use an exfoliator in this particular area, a gel-based exfoliator.
Okay, and that's after shaving, after dry shaving?
That's after you dry shave.
Okay.
Correct.